Hi all, welcome back to BLR Knowledge Center. And in this today's session, we'll talk about installation verification of Go language. So once we install Go language, so we must make sure that the Go path and Go workspace should be known to the developer, so that the developer directly jump into the workspace area and they can write a sample Go programming language and they can run it. And also, we must make sure that Go compiler must be installed along with the text editor to write a program. So when it comes to Windows, as explained earlier, I think we can use Notepad, where you can simply write a Go language program, and you just save it with the .go extension, and then run that with Go compiler, where it is being installed on your specific OS, like a Windows or a Mac or Linux or Unix. Let's quickly get into this. So I already got installed Go language. That's where it is available. And when I come to my command prompt, if I say go and enter, it will tell about commands of Go language. So these are the basic commands, so where you need to see all the commands here, and these are some of the additional commands which Go is providing for you, and based on the requirement and the need, you can use that. So you just go and just use this command by directly go bug, go build, go clean, go dark, go env, and we'll see all these commands in the next coming sessions. Right now, I think we should make sure that our installation is properly effectively installed onto your system or not. So as I mentioned, so you must have two, software kind of two items must be. Make sure here when you work with Go language, one is Go paths. That means from where you are running your Go compiler, and Go workspace. So you can simply say Go env, so that you will get a list of all this stuff. And this is where Go language having it. This is the Go path right now, and this is where your Go language being installed. This is the workspace. And same thing, you can check it in your system environment, or environment variables. Just go to the environment variables and see environment variables here. And this is the Go path already being installed. When you install it, it is asking you to add into your environment variables, and it will automatically add into this. And if you look at here, so this is being already installed, go/bin, or you can go here and see here in the path, and you go down and you will see here, go see program files, go bin, right? So now you just look at here also, I think just go to a C drive. So, and where you can see program files, and here you can go and bin, and you see exe of a Go language here. So this is what the Go compiler, which we are talking about here, one of the prerequisite to run your Go language program. So now it is properly installed. Let's go into some other, next step, like write a sample Go language program and run that. So what I'm trying to do is, so I have a Visual Studio Coder installed. I'll open that. This is my Visual Studio Code. I'm just opening this so that it will open my Go extension already being installed here in the Visual Studio Code, and you can see here. And just open a folder where I'm going to write my programs. This is some sample folder being created here. I'm just opening it. So now what I'm going to try to do is, here I'm just creating a file, let's say like test.go, so which is extension of Go language. And here I'm trying to write a Go language program. So, and I'll see like how it is being formatting here, and how to run that using Go compiler. So as I mentioned in one of the session, like Go programming language structure, the first step was a package implementation, and then next was kind of a importing part, and then next a function, and then variables, and then functions, and then comments. This is what a structure of a Go programming language. So same way we have to follow the same structure here when you start writing a Go programming language. So firstly, I'll do a package implementation here, a package and main, right? And then I'll import one of the inbuilt in namespace of this Go was FMT. And then I'll start writing of my function using the function keyword, a function, and I'll say like f1c font, not and we don't need to give a full name here. This is what my function, right? So here I'm just using fmt dot. So there are several unbuilt-in function here. I'm just using the print ln so that it will print in line, next line. So here I'm just saying, hi, this is a bearer. Welcome to Go demonstration. Okay. So this is simple program you need to write in the Go language. So I'm just using in a package name. This is something like if you look at C++ or C programming, I think we generally used to give a header, right? Hash include kind of a header. You need to use it simply stdio.h and graphics io.h. So it all depends on the program you are writing it and using the relevant functions. Those functions related to namespace or header file, you need to mention it in the C program using hash include, right? In a similar way for the Go language, you need to give a package main and then import and then a function. We'll talk about all this stuff in the next session. So once you write it, just save this function, save this file, test.go, all right? And go to your, running environment, new terminal. So I'm just coming here. I was in here, D drive and so on, so and Go language. And from here, you can run it if you want to run it, or you directly go to one of the command prompt and you can run that there also. So I'm just checking whether Go is installed or not. Again, it is installed. So as I said here, there are a couple of commands which we basically use it. So right. So here to run a Go programming language, you need to use a run command. So it compiles and run Go program. This is what the a standard command you need to use to run your Go program, right? So just go and run and tell your program file go test.go. So when you hit that, it will execute your Go programming and it will display the output here. So here, hi, this is BRO. Welcome to Go demonstration. This is how it is showing your output and result here. Okay, that means your workspace Go language properly installed and you are now properly doing it everything fine. So now, as I mentioned, this is the kind of a package declaration, and this is importing packages. And FMT is nothing but a kind of a formatting basics. So this is something a formatting of stuff which you want to use it basically as part of writing Go programming language. So this is simply I can say that is a preprocessor command which tells the Go compiler to include the files lying in the package FMT. Okay, so FMT is nothing but a formatting, right? So simply says formatting of your Go programming. Okay, so and go back to your this thing here and see, and same thing you can run through a command prompt also. So if you don't have this thing, so what you need to do is you just open a notepad. So I'm just opening my notepad and you can write it here program, same program. So that program you have written there and same program you can write it here. No need to install it. So simple say package, it's a main and import and this is something FMT formatting of package and then func main, right? And here you can write your function fmt dot println of hi, welcome to Go demonstration, and then close it. This is how it is going to run it, and you need to save this program. So right now I'm saving all my files in D drive, so I'll go there and I'll save it there itself. So that way I think I have all the files here, and let me go here, 2022 in here, and I'm just saving this as demo.go. Okay, I'm just going back to my command prompt here and navigate back to my D drive. Okay, and F drive and training. Okay, and here I'll again go back to 2022. Right, and if I look at here, I have a Go directory, cd Go, and if I type it here, I have two Go language programs, demo and test, and you can see what inside of this demo.go. This is what inside of demo.go, and you can see test.go also. It is same, right? Now from here, I can run my Go program here using go run test.go. This is going to run my program and display my result. And similarly for the newly created demo.go also I'll run it. Yep. So what I'm trying to say about editors was there is no compulsory to be installed editor here, and you just simply use the existing installed editor as like Notepad, and you can create your Go language, a simple syntax. Okay. So I hope you understand the installation part, how to verify with simple Go programming language. And in the next section, we'll talk about the each and every section of these lines of program. Okay. Thanks for listening to this video. Please subscribe this channel for more videos. Thank you.